Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today in this video lecture I am going to talk about a literary term मास्करेड। मास्करेड का मतलब है वुमेन को पब्लिकली या फिर मेल्स के सामने मास्क पहनकर रखना होगा फेमिनाइन बनने का, जहाँ पर मेल्स वुमेन से जैसा रोल एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं उन्हें एज वुमेन उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन से चलना होगा। यानी वुमेन को सबमिसिव बनना होगा, अपने आप को मेल्स के सामने ऐसा प्रिटेंड करना होगा कि येस उनके अंदर सारी वुमेनली क्वालिटीज़ हैं एंड वो उनके इशारों पर चलेंगी। Masquerade is a term introduced by Joan Riviere in her essay called Womanliness as a Masquerade, which was published in the year 1929। कहने का मतलब हुआ कि फीमेल्स को मेल्स के सामने इस तरीके से प्रिटेंड करके दिखाना होगा कि उनके नेचर में इनहेरेंट वुमेनली क्वालिटीज़ है, एंड अगर ये वुमेनली क्वालिटीज़ हैं तो इन्हीं के हिसाब से फीमेल्स मेल्स के इशारों पर चल पाएंगी। जिस तरीके से मेल्स उन्हें ऑर्डर देते हैं उसी हिसाब से वो आगे अपनी लाइफ को स्पेंड कर पाएगी एंड उन्हीं के इशारों पर चल पाएंगी। देन दिस इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ साइको एनालिटिकल लिटरेरी टर्म विच सजेस्ट दैट it is women's psychology to adopt a feminine mask and run their life as per expected social roles। expected social roles क्या है कि फीमेल्स को हमेशा सबमिसिव बनकर रहना है, जिस तरीके से मेल्स उनको ऑर्डर करते हैं उस तरीके से उन्हें चलना है। एंड मेंटेन वुमेनली अपीयरेंसेस, यानी कि जिस तरीके से वुमेन अपनी पर्सनल अपीयरेंस का ध्यान रखती हैं तो उन्हें वुमेनली अपीयरेंस रखनी है, उन्हें जानकर अपनी अपीयरेंस को अच्छा रखना है ताकि वो मेल्स को अट्रैक्ट कर सकें। द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्टिंग इन फेमिनिज्म इज कॉल्ड एज मास्करेड। Then, in this essay, John Riviere describes masquerade is a quality that a woman should follow to act in accordance with femininity. So, how they act in accordance with femininity? By becoming excellent wives, mothers, capable housewives, good in maintaining social relations with whom she came in contact with, and also she immediately gives approval to men's sexual advances. All these are expectations of men from a woman. When women have all these qualities inherent in herself, it means she carries a mask of femininity, and this is called as masquerade. Then Riviere argued how women adopt a public mask of womanliness or femininity to satisfy the desires of men. When this mask of womanliness is peeled away, she is revealed as castrated, lifeless, incapable of providing any kind of pleasure to men. So it is necessary for her to keep this mask inherent in her quality in order to satisfy male's sexual desire. Then it refers to woman's public mask she wears in order to satisfy male desire. When women are seen to perform or when they work according to men's image of what a woman should be, and in doing so she confirms the stereotypes of patriarchy. Performance of masquerade calms down women from fear and anxiety. If a woman wants to run her life calm and peaceful, then she have to wear mask of being feminine, and it will keep her away from male's fear and other types of anxieties or worries that keeps on haunting her. And if she removes this mask of womanliness in public sphere, or if this mask of womanliness is peeled away, then what happens is then she is revealed as castrated, lifeless, incapable of providing any kind of pleasure to men. Then Judith Butler in the year 1990, she has argued for a more positive appropriation of masquerade in the spirit of mimicry and parody. So mimicry here means imitating, but in this context mimicry is used to say that women should mimic or run as per men's instruction. So this performance of wearing mask is more properly appropriated by mimicry or parodying. Mimicry here means imitating, but in this context mimicry is used to say how women should mimic or run as per men's instructions. Masquerade as a performance, it rather than conforming women's stereotypical social or fixed psychic role, masquerade is understood to critique essentialist assumptions of sexualist identity. सबसे पहले मास्करेड एक परफॉर्मेंस है। क्यों है? क्योंकि फीमेल्स जब भी पब्लिकली अपने आप को कन्फ्रंट करवाती है लोगों के सामने, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं फेमिनाइन बनने की कोशिश कर रही है, तो वो अपना रोल परफॉर्म कर रही है फेमिनाइन बनकर। तो इसलिए मास्करेड एक तरीके की परफॉर्मेंस है। Masquerade as a performance, it does not allow these females to give approval to confirmation of their fixed stereotypical social or psychic role. Rather, it critiques how males or females belonging from different sexual identities should behave in society. If females are not behaving as womanly or they are not behaving in a womanly manner, then it is very disadvantageous for her to live in society. Then with this video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your UGC NET English Literature exams. Thank you.